Good morning, children. Now, today we are going to study about decomposition reaction. Decomposition means breaking down. Any compound, when gets required conditions, when proper conditions is given to it, it decompose or break down. So, such reactions are known as decomposition reactions. Few examples which I have given as a pic to you. You have to go through this, first write down in your copy and then listen to the video which I am sending to you. Calcium carbonate CaCO3 on heating will always give you calcium oxide, that is the lime which you have studied, and carbon dioxide. See that calcium, one calcium carbonate. Out of this only one oxygen get attached to the calcium forming calcium oxide, and remaining carbon dioxide is released out. In second, zinc carbonate, that is ZnCO3. ZnCO3 when heated, you will get ZnO and CO2 is released out. Both these reactions are almost same. Similar to these, you can use magnesium carbonate also. In that way, another example can be taken. Now take the third example, silver chloride. Silver chloride, silver bromide. These two are the compounds which, when kept in sunlight, always these reagents are kept in black color bottles so that to avoid the direct contact with the sunlight. When it is exposed to sunlight, it breaks to silver and chlorine. Chlorine gas will be released. That is why upward arrow, wherever you find upward arrow, that means these are the gases and silver solid has been removed. Next you see water. Water is formula is H2O, you know very well. And here you can balance this water also after going through the reaction. Okay. Now water on electrolysis. Direct heating water does not gives you hydrogen and oxygen. Only with the help of electrolytic process. In offline classes, whenever we will get time, children, I will explain you, or whenever time suitable chapter will come, I will explain you this electrolysis process also. Next is potassium chlorate. Children, you have to learn the formula very well. Potassium chlorate, that is KClO3. This potassium chlorate on heating in the presence of a catalyst, it will give you potassium chloride and oxygen. Oxygen and again a gas, so it is released. Similarly, ferrous sulfate. I have explained you how to write down the formulas. This is ferrous sulfate. Iron is having two valencies, 2 and 3. Here we have used the 2 valencies, so we got the compound ferrous sulfate. This ferrous sulfate on heating will give you ferric oxides of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Children, go through this video twice, thrice, for how much time you can, so that you can understand the reactions. Ferrous sulfate, once again I am explaining. Ferrous sulfate on heating gives you ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Now come to the next, silver bromide. Just like that of silver chloride, silver bromide, again in the presence of sunlight, if you write down your sunlight, you will get it breaks into silver and bromine. Next very important reaction is of lead nitrate. Every compound's name I have already written on top. Lead nitrate, PbNO3 whole twice. This lead nitrate on heating gives you lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. You must remember the products very well. Write again and again and revise it again and try to write down the correct products. And also try to balance the equation. Whenever lead nitrate is heated, it will give you lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Next is potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate, KNO3. This potassium nitrate again on heating gives you potassium nitrite. It is potassium nitrite and oxygen gas is released. So children, these are some of the equations, decomposition equations which I have explained to you. Go through this video again and again. Try to understand. Wherever I have given the name, I have not written the name down below the formulas, but I have explained to you. So wherever you find difficult, try to revise the link so that you can understand the equations.